Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and today we are going to be doing a tutorial to like a summer makeup look. Like if you're out on the beach and you just want something really minimal or something a little jazzed up that's waterproof, then I'm here for all of your needs. So first I'm going to talk about what I've already have on my face. I have the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue. It's a moisturizer and I just tried it for the first time and I'm in love with it. You guys are going to be seeing a bunch more of this. Actually, before I even put that on, I went in with my old I can't say this. I don't know why I can't say it. Well, it's not going to focus for some reason, but I'm going to leave it in the description box. So, there. Anyways, it's Banana Bright Eye Cream. And it's just like an eye moisturizer, under eye moisturizer. So I put that on before my moisturizer. Moving on to my eyes, what I've already done is I've used my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. It's like a eyeshadow primer. And then I went in and did my brows with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. It's only like $10. So I love it, it's super affordable. And then I concealed with my Morphe concealer, and then I set my brows with Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. Okay, now that that's out of the way, I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow. So when you're going to the beach, you typically don't wear eyeshadow, but if you wanted to, I'm just going to show you what I would do mine like. So I'm going for something super neutral. I'm going to use this Tarte Clay Play. It's an eyeshadow and a face palette. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with something super simple, like I said. I'm going to go in with Solstice, and just basically set my eyeshadow primer. And then I'm gonna go in with Journey, this light brown shade, on a big fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna go in the crease like this. And bringing it in a little bit, something super light. You could also do this with a bronzer that you have. I just have a palette that I'm using, so. But you could just as easily do this with a bronzer. Just lightly going in the crease with this brownish color. And like I said, you don't even have to wear mascara for this look. Or not mascara, eyeshadow for this look. So that's literally how I'm going to leave it. If you wanted to be a little extra, then you could put some of this lighter shade just on your lid, which is what I'm going to do. Show you what that looks like. So this is what it looks like with the lighter shade on. Not too much of a difference, but if you wanted to go in with like a little bit of a shimmer on the lid, that would be good too. But I'm personally not going to do that because I wouldn't wear that to the beach. So it's total preference though. One thing I am going to do is add a little bit of pizzazz to my inner corner. That's another way that you could jazz it up a little. I'm just taking this Ofra highlighter and putting it in the inner corner. And I need to get my brows done, so I'm not going to go underneath my brow, but if my brows were super clean and less bushy, then I would go underneath my brow with it. So moving on to a primer, I highly recommend this e.l.f. Jelly Prop Dew Primer. Actually, I don't think it's in stock right now because I think it was limited editions. A primer that is similar to this one is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You can get a mini for $15, and that is my recommendation. I'm gonna go in with this one just because I already had it out for this video, and then I remembered that it was limited edition. So you want a primer that's really gonna help your foundation stick to it. That's why I recommend these two, because it literally sticks to your foundation. It's literally sticky on your skin, but it's supposed to be, and it doesn't feel sticky once you put your foundation on. So yeah, these are two of my favorites. A foundation I'm gonna recommend is the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. In the name, it's waterproof. So there aren't too many foundations that I know of that are actually waterproof. I think this one's pretty sweat resistant. Now see, if you dunk your head under water, I mean, it's makeup, it's gonna come off a little bit, but for the most part, as long as you're not rubbing it, like, it should be pretty good. Now I'm gonna use this foundation because I don't go in the water and I don't get myself wet, but I do sweat in the sun, obviously. So yeah, I like this foundation for beach days. It is a little bit more full coverage though, so just keep that in mind. Another foundation that's waterproof is the Estee Lauder one. I currently don't have a full size of that in my current shade, but that one's pretty good too. It's very mattifying though, so if you're dry, I'd keep that in mind. So I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender to blend this in, going in dabbing motions and blending it down into my neck. Okay, now that foundation is on, I'm gonna move on to concealer. I'm gonna be using this Morphe concealer. And just putting a little bit. And I'm just gonna put that underneath my eyes. I'm not gonna worry about the rest of the face, just because you don't want a super ton of makeup on when you're at the beach. So I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to set underneath my eye. So now I'm going to put my mascara on. So a waterproof mascara that I super recommend is this Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. It is the only it's the only mascara that I found that is like super duper waterproof. Like, that stuff won't smudge. Even when I'm submerged underwater, it's what I wear. I highly recommend this, but it's also super hard to take off if you don't have like hardcore like oil stuff to remove your makeup. So I'm not gonna put that on, but on the days that I'm literally gonna be underwater, like, I will use that, and it's worth not being able to take it off as easy because it literally keeps my makeup perfect during me swimming. But today I'm not going to put that on actually because I don't want to have to take it off for no reason. But I'm going to use my regular mascaras. So a few of my favorites that I've been using lately is the Damn Girl Too Faced mascara. I really, really love this mascara. And I will mix it with the Lily Lashes XXX mascara. Like, these two together are literally my favorite combination of mascaras that I've ever tried. So I'm a super fan of these, and I just wanted to recommend them. By the way, I just want to say that this video was recommended for me to make from one of my people on Snapchat. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So next I'm going to be going in with bronzer. I think bronzer is a total must for beach days and pool days because you want to look extra tan, you know? So I'm going to go in with my butter bronzer. I love the smell of this. It smells tropical. Yeah, like very tropical. So I think it would be something nice to wear and be smelling that scent, you know? It's not super strong, but like it's there. I like it. So for a blush, I recommend an illuminating one. This one is from Ciate and it's Marbled Light. I love baked blushes, baked bronzers, everything like that. They are amazing. So I'm just gonna pop this on. And lately I've been liking to go over with this Milani baked bronzer in Dulce. It's like got glitter kind of in it. So it gives me that super glowy baked look that I like. And I'll just go in with a big fluffy brush and go over my bronzer and my blush and kind of blend them together a little better. So for a highlight, I like to go all out because that sun on that highlight is blinding. Like, I love it. So this is the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive, and I'm going to be using this one. See, like, it's blinding even with my like daylight light. So for lips, I recommend just a regular gloss. This one's from Revlon, and it's in the shade Crystal Clear. So it's just a gloss. Okay, so this is just my beat going out. Pool day look, summer look, you know, when you're gonna be sweating and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. And everybody stay safe during all of this craziness. I didn't mention that in the video at all, so I just wanted to say here at the end, like, just stay safe, wash your hands, try to stay inside if you can, and I hope everybody stays safe. And I've been praying super hard about it. Like, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.